Welcome back, my amazing learners. We will continue learning about digital citizenship right now. Now, what's our topic today? Our topic is digital trails. Do you see those footprints going across the screen? Feet made those footprints. Those are his online tracks. Everywhere you go, you leave a mark, you leave a track behind. We're going to learn more about this right now. Question for you. What information is okay to have in your digital footprint? What is a trail? A trail is a path or track that someone can follow. So as we go from here to there online, we leave footprints, and other people can follow those footprints. Let's watch this video together.
I just don't know where all these prints are coming from. It's a mystery. Whom do they belong to?
You know, there's some footprints that you just can't erase.
What do you mean?
I'm talking about something we all do. We all leave footprints online. They're called digital footprints. Every time you go online to play a game, type an email, or search the internet, you leave a trail.
Really? I'm online all the time sharing things. I play online, I post online, I submit and send things online almost every day.
Well, since you're online a lot, you have footprints all over the place, and it's really hard to erase these footprints.
You mean I can't just clean them up?
No, it doesn't work like that.
How does it work?
Our digital footprint can get really big really quickly, so we need to pause and think when we're online. We need to be safe, responsible, and respectful.
Wow. So what should I be careful about not sharing online?
Never share private information like your full name, address, telephone number, your age or birthday, or even your school.
I guess that makes sense. But what's okay to share then?
I share personal information, just not private information. I keep my full name and address to myself, but I feel safe sharing stuff like my hobbies and my favorite things.
Okay, I think I've got this. I may have a big footprint online, but I need to make sure what I'm sharing is safe, responsible, and respectful.
You got it.
It still doesn't solve the mystery of these muddy footprints, though. Aha! Case closed.
Remember to pause and think online. If you're not sure what to do, ask a trusted adult first. How big is your digital footprint?
Okay. So, did you learn what you should and shouldn't share online? Remember, your full name, your address, your date of birth, all of that private information that you learned about in the previous lesson, it applies to this lesson too. You don't share that online because everywhere you go, from here to there, you leave footprints behind. You might not be able to see them, but they are there. Okay? So let's find out the right meaning for digital footprint. What is a digital footprint? It is a record of what you do online, including the sites you visit and the things you share. What information does FEET suggest not sharing online? Private information. All of these things, your full name, address, phone number, age, birthday, school name, don't share it online. What is private information? Private information is information about you that can be used to identify who you are. So remember what I said, students? The email address that our government gave to you, don't use it for your YouTube comments and the other things that you do online. That was one of the first things I taught you months ago. But some of you are not practicing what you learned in class. So we're going to go over all of that again before the school year is over. You need to use a nickname, make up something. For example, if your name is Keisha, for example, Keisha Phillips, you're not going to type Keisha Phillips at gmail.com or yahoo.com. You're going to make up a name for your name and make up a nickname for yourself, or ask mommy and daddy to help you make something up. All right. So it could be Kiki. Kiki loves cake 101. All right, at gmail.com. Something. You're going to make up something like that, and that is what you're going to use to play your games online, to do your YouTube comments if you decide to do that, and to do all the other activities. Okay? Don't use your full name. Don't use your address. Don't use your birthday. All of that is private information. What information does FEET think is okay to share online? Personal things like your hobbies, interests, favorite things. So I don't mind that people know that my favorite ice cream used to be cookies and cream. I don't mind people knowing that. That is something personal about me that I'm willing to share online. You might have something else like liking to play football, liking pizza, eating cake, patty and cocoa bread. Like maybe you like to draw. Maybe you have a favorite cartoon. All of those things, you can share them online. So there's an activity that I've linked in the description box below. Again, students, remember that it is all linked on the Happy Faces Academy website. Once you click on the lesson, it will take you to all the different activities, handouts, coloring pages, reflection worksheets. All of it is linked for you. Okay, so this activity with Ellie the elephant and Mervin the mouse, you will see it there so that you can write it or complete it digitally. Now, what does the word permanent mean? Something that lasts forever. A lot of times we think that we delete something online and it is gone, but it's not. It is still there somewhere. Maybe you can't find it, but somebody else can find it. Now, the review section is also linked below. So you're going to think about what is okay for me to share online and what is not okay for me to share. And you put your responses there. It is just like the thumbs up, thumbs down game that we played last time. That's what you're going to do. And you should always ask an adult before sharing. Pause and think moment. Draw a picture of something that is okay to share about yourself on the internet. And write one thing that is not okay to share on the internet. Explain why. Now, students, that's the end of this lesson. I can't wait for us to continue learning about digital citizenship. So for now, bye-bye.